Don't do that. My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Yes.
Yo, what are we doing today?
We are fixing your car because it won't start, first of all.
Oh yeah. Oh, bro. I thought you screwed it in. Bro. Okay.
Okay, really
anyways.
tight. I like it tight.
Car won't start because I blew a fuse. Whoa.
Very serious.
Look at that booty. Ooh. See those tips? Those are no longer going to be there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. That's what we're putting on today. We get an exhaust. Ooh. Ooh. Would you call this a fart cannon? I feel like it might sound good though. That's a nice weld, better than what we did on your exhaust.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them right now though. I just ordered one today. Go check mine out.
Oh yeah, it fell off. Yo, the tip fell off, the machine gun tip. But anyway guys, today we finally get an exhaust on my car so it doesn't sound, you know, what do you call it? Gay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, no offense to the LGBTQ DRG LBSTD community.
Alright, first step, we gotta jack up the car. I reconnected the Y pipe like a couple of days ago. Somebody wanted to buy it off me, my stock Y pipe. So right now, I still have the aftermarket Y pipe. Hopefully this sounds good, but I don't know. Is it touching? Oh, almost. That took us like 10 minutes just to jack up the car because it's so low. His exhaust already shipped. Alright, so next step is to take off the exhaust. It shouldn't be too hard. I think it's just like 4 bolts after the Y pipe, so it's not like a full exhaust, it's just this. So it should go by pretty fast.
What are you doing?
I'm taking off my exhaust, but there's no room. I already took one off. That one was already off. I think this is harder than replacing my motor. Dude, I can't even see.
I can't see either.
So just have this, 1 bolt, and then that one I already took off.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. Cool. I thought it would be since I just drove it. Dude got these freaking bungees.
She's putting in the hole?
Yeah.
Woo.
2 hours later.
Can you try to take those off?
I could try. Oh no, those are extremely hard.
This one looks easy. This one right here. There's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there and one right here. We got 4 hangers to take off.
Oh, so.
Okay, the secret is WD-40.
And then this.
Dude, oh, you bent it. Dude, we spread WD-40 and it just slipped right out. Alright, you got that one? Here.
Yeah. First, you gotta get the screwdriver in.
So you can open it up.
Flathead.
And then bend it back.
It's still gonna fall.
Yeah, but it's only
my
tilt. It's alright. I'll
no,
save
it's
you.
not. I don't want to die.
Oh, dude. Dude, that looks smooth.
That's cool.
Alright, we got one more now. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna get out for this one because it'll fall.
Alright. Oh, WD-40. There you go.
Yes.
That took 10 years.
Dude.
But mission complete. So basically,
Garbage. Yo, do you think it'll be louder?
turn it on right now. Don't do that.
My neighbors are gonna hate me. Alright, anyways. I think it would sound cleaner because this, I don't know why, but it sounded like loud and raspy. But this one, it should sound like cleaner, but like
The same.
I don't
think it'll be the same, to be honest. But
I
it still
don't
sounds
know.
good.
I think it'll sound like cleaner, but like not as loud because this was pretty loud. I don't even know why it was so loud. Wait, we don't need this, huh?
No, we don't. No, we don't. Pull that one out. Like nothing.
Why is it so hard when it's on the car?
That's gonna be a cannon. Is it? Did it just slide in?
About it. It's a little long, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Ooh! It just slipped right in.
You need the bolts?
Yeah.
Is it perfect? Basically?
Yeah. Dude. Look at that tip.
Oh, that sounds way better.
There's more crackle?
Yeah, like in the back, it's like
Dude, I can't wait to hear it. From the inside, you can't even hear it. But I guess I kind of like that because we're going to do a few drive-bys some more because we can't really do it in the neighborhood. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. All right, go. That's so loud. Way more crackle than before, and like it's not as raspy. Dude, I've never had someone else drive my car. Like it looks so good. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys liked it. It was a pretty simple install, so I know it won't be that long, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I definitely needed that exhaust. That sounded like crap. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Inside, but on the outside, it's like it has rasp and like
it sounds good.
So clean.